Oh, hi friends. Oh, we have some new friends here today too. Well, welcome. My name is Sydney and I am a Tinker Fairy. You guys caught me in a little bit of a pickle. You see, my best fairy friend's birthday party is today and I've been so busy in the Tinker Factory, I didn't have time to get her a gift. I don't know what to do. Her party's in 10 minutes and I gotta get all the way over there. It's just a big mess. I don't know what to do. What do you get an animal fairy? Oh, speaking of which, that's her. Hey, Sheridan. Oh no! I am so sorry to hear that. Don't you worry, I will think of something and I will see you at your party. All right, bye friend. Friends, you won't believe what just happened. So the main event of her birthday party is a bird watching event because, you know, she's an animal fairy and her favorite animal are birds. Well, we were going to watch baby birds hatch in the nursery, but Sheridan's favorite pair of binoculars broke. It is a complete party disaster. But I now know what to get my friend for her birthday. Let's make a pair of binoculars fit for an animal fairy. Well, before we get started, we need to make sure we follow the Tinker Fairy safety rules. Rule number 1, we need to make sure we always wear our snazzy safety glasses at all times to keep our eyes safe. Rule number 2, we need to make sure we have a grown-up with us at all times, either to help us with our project or in case we get hurt. And then rule number 3, we need to make sure we clean up after ourselves when we are all done with our project. So now that we've gone over the safety rules, let's go make some awesome binoculars. First, we need to get some supplies in order to make our binoculars. What do we have here that could help? Ooh, that looks good. These tubes will be perfect for binoculars. I wonder what else we could find. Ooh, I think these pipe cleaners will work out perfectly. Something's missing. Let's see what else we have. Don't think I need anything over here. Let's see what's over here. Oh! Sticks. I think this is a good base for now. I can always come back to the supplies if I need something later, but let's get to tinkering. So, in order to make our binoculars, we're going to use 2 cardboard tubes that are the same length. They can be paper towel rolls or empty toilet paper rolls. Whatever you have at home is fine. We're going to need 3 pipe cleaners. They can be whatever colors you want. I chose Sheridan's favorite color since it's her birthday after all. And finally, we will need 2 wooden sticks and, as always, some tape and some scissors. So now that we have our supplies, let's get to tinkering our binoculars. But where do I start? Oh, let's start with the pipe cleaners and making a strap. That's the easiest part. So first, to make our strap, I'm going to take 2 ends of our pipe cleaners and I'm just going to twist them together. Now it's already much longer, but I wanted a little bit longer. So we're going to go ahead and take our other 2 ends and we're just going to twist these together too. Now that I have a strap, I don't have anything to strap it to. I guess I should start working on the binoculars themselves. And I'll start by taping these 2 tubes together. All right, so next we're gonna go ahead and tape our tubes together. Hopefully they don't roll away. Whoop. So we wanna make sure that our tubes are nice and secure with our tape. I'm gonna do one more little layer and use my scissors to cut our tape. All right. So they still feel a little flimsy. It's a good thing I have my friends the sticks here to help it keep secure. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tape our stick onto the edge just like this, just to give our tubes a little extra support. And we're gonna do that on both sides. So let's go ahead and do the first side. All right, so we have one side done. Let's go ahead and flip it to the back. And I lost my tape end. Love that for me. This is another good reason to have an adult, friends. They can find the tape end for you. Because as you can see, I am quite struggling. Haha, success. All right, so we can go ahead and tape our other one here. And that feels much better. Great job, friends. Now we just need to attach our two pieces together. Now, in order to do that, we're gonna have to use some grown-up scissors. So make sure you have a grown-up nearby to help you with this next part. So I'm going to take my scissors and I am going to poke a hole in the cardboard. I'm going to twist it to make the hole a little bit bigger, and now I'm going to do one on the other side. Alright, don't need our scissors anymore. So now I'm just going to take our pipe cleaner and I'm going to put it through one of our holes, and I'm going to bend it back so it stays. Well, guess I better do the other end because it's looking a little wonky. So now I will poke it through this one as well. So it's technically on there, but it's not as sturdy as it could be. If you want to add some more tape, you can. I think I'm going to add tape for Sheridan's because she is an animal fairy and animals can get a little excited, and I want to make sure that her binoculars stay safe. So I'm just going to add some extra tape to keep it in place because I don't want a little animal critter to accidentally knock our straps loose. And there we have it. We have a pair of binoculars. Wow, look at our binoculars, friends. They're so cool. I love them. Well, now would be the time that if you want to decorate your binoculars, go ahead and get your markers or your crayons or whatever else you have at home to go ahead and decorate them. Me, I think I'm going to use a little bit of fairy magic. Wow, look at these. I love the way they turned out. Super cool. Well, friends, I guess that means our project is officially done. So you know what that means. It's time to follow rule number 3 and clean up after ourselves. These turned out so good, friends. I really hope Sheridan likes them. And I'm so excited to watch the baby birds hatch. And I'm really happy that I got to help her spend time with her favorite animal. My favorite animal are elephants. What are your favorite animals? Let me know in the comments below. Well, I'll see you next time, friends. Thank you for tinkering with me, and I am off to a fairy birthday party.